Yeah, because last time. Okay.
A little bit of up elevator.
Whenever you're ready. There she blows.
That looks good. Now you can put your flaps up.
It was, oops. It was a little bit. It was like a scale takeoff.
Oh, okay.
A long run.
You thought you're a cop. Well, nobody comes down here with a radio.
Landing gear up.
Yeah.
Gear up. You want to see the gear go up? Oh, yes.
He's up.
Nice.
He's going for his gun. Yeah, there you go. Retracts?
Yeah.
Gum.
Yeah, this little viewfinder is such a teeny little thing that you just barely see it. But it's funny because when you put it on the computer, it's quite good. It's HD, so.
Full 1080p.
Yeah.
Once it's in the air, you'll never see it. Oh, I see. If it comes through the other way, that's what
Because I have down and I have to work on that.
That's pretty minor too.
Oh yeah.
It's on the field a little bit.
Okay. I won't miss you.
I think I'm gonna have to see. Whoa!
Oh, I didn't start my timer.
Do you want me to go fetch it for you?
2 minutes, 20 seconds.
What is that?
Okay.
2 minutes 20?
Yeah.
Okay, just please tell me at 3 minutes.
Okay.
Thanks, Walter. You go ahead and take off. Okay. Whoa! Oh, it's got a little bit more power, eh?
Oh, very scale-like.
Yeah.
I love the sound of it, the two motors. It's so nice.
What is that, Val?
It's a Cessna 310.
Beautiful.
Twin engine.
Beautiful with retract too, eh?
Oh yeah.
You got flap?
Yes.
Oh wow, that's who makes that?
Dynam.
Oh, that's the Dynam. Well, that's beautiful.
Landing gear out. Landing from the left.
Okay, gentlemen, I'll see you later.
See you.
Cool, see you later.
Too bad. It almost goes straight up. So I'll give those. I'll give one of those guys a call. Yep.
That is a beautiful thing.
Neat.
Well done.